Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the new top 5 kitchen gadgets that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. So let's start the video.
The AOZeta 2-pack, 17 ounces glass olive oil dispenser bottle. Set offers both style and functionality for your kitchen. Crafted with high-quality stainless steel and clear glass, these dispenser bottles are not only durable but also elegant, making them a perfect addition to any home. The 17 fluid ounces capacity of each bottle provides ample space to store your favorite olive oils or other liquid condiments. The clear glass design allows you to easily monitor the content level and ensures a sleek presentation on your countertop or dining table. The dispenser bottle type of this set makes it convenient to pour and control the amount of oil or dressing you use, reducing waste and mess. The stainless steel spout is designed to regulate the flow of liquid, preventing spills or drips. Whether you are a home cook or a professional chef, the AOZeta glass olive oil dispenser bottle set is a practical and stylish choice for dispensing and storing your oils. Enhance your culinary experience.
The Guanxi 8-pack silicone lids for bowls offer a versatile and eco-friendly solution for covering various containers in the kitchen. Made from high-quality silicone, these lids are durable and reusable, reducing the need for disposable plastic wraps. The set includes 8 lids in different sizes, suitable for bowls, cans, cups, microwaves, and pans, providing a universal fit for most common kitchen containers. The silicone material is safe for use in the microwave and dishwasher, making them convenient for everyday use. The A8 mix color scheme adds a touch of vibrancy to the kitchen. With an item weight of 1.8 pounds, these silicone lids are lightweight and easy to handle. Overall, the Guanxi 8-pack silicone lids for bowls are a practical, environmentally friendly solution for keeping food fresh and minimizing waste in the kitchen.
The Flame King Propane Torch Kit. Heavy-duty weed burner is a versatile and powerful tool designed to make weed control and other outdoor maintenance tasks easier and more efficient. With its sturdy construction and thoughtful design, this product offers both reliability and convenience to users. The Flame King Propane Torch Kit comes in a sleek blue and black color scheme, giving it a professional and modern look that stands out. The materials used in its construction, including plastic, steel, and rubber, ensure durability and longevity, making it a worthy investment for anyone looking for a high-quality tool. Weighing just 1.5 kilograms and measuring at 108 inches in length, 2.77 inches in width, and 3 inches in height, this torch kit is lightweight and easy to handle, reducing user fatigue.
The Fox Run Silicone Pot Clip Spoon. Rest is a functional and charming addition to any kitchen. Made from high-quality silicone, this spoon rest is both durable and heat-resistant, making it perfect for holding your cooking utensils while you cook. The cute owl and cat designs add a touch of whimsy to your kitchen decor. Measuring at 2 inches in length and 1 inch in width, this spoon rest is compact enough to fit on any countertop or stovetop without taking up too much space. Its dishwasher-safe feature also makes cleaning up a breeze, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your culinary creations and less time on kitchen maintenance. Overall, the Fox Run Silicone Pot Clip Spoon Rest is a practical and fun kitchen accessory that is sure to delight both home cooks and professional chefs alike. Its silicone construction, adorable design, and easy-to-clean properties make it a must-have item for anyone looking to keep their kitchen organized and stylish.
The OXO Good Grips. Small silicone flexible turner in black is a well-crafted kitchen tool designed to enhance your cooking experience. Made from a combination of high-quality stainless steel and durable silicone, this turner offers the perfect balance of sturdiness and flexibility. The black color gives it a sleek and modern look, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. With its small size and dimensions of 11.25 L into 3.25 W, this turner is ideal for handling various cooking tasks, from flipping delicate items like eggs and fish to serving baked goods or vegetables. The silicone material provides a non-stick surface, making it easy to slide under food without damaging it. Additionally, the stainless steel core gives it extra strength and durability, ensuring that it can withstand everyday use. The OXO brand is known for its commitment to quality and innovation, and this turner is no exception. It is designed with the user in mind, featuring a comfortable grip,